Sipsco.
Oh.
Excuse me?
What's that?
Excuse me?
Oh,
Hello?
is it?
What?
Is anyone here? I found this place. I mean, I heard you two from, like, miles away. You were sort of ranting.
I told you to keep it down, Sips.
I mean,
Sorry, Shin.
look, where's
Bill?
your complaints department? Where is it? Is this it here? Hello?
That's the geothermal.
Yeah.
Oh, you've locked him in.
Quickly, come on, let's
Excuse-
get out of here, quick.
Excuse
Oh no,
I feel
he's
like-
chasing us. Where can we hide?
Look, look, I'm not... it's because I got the sword out, isn't it? There we go. So, bare hands, I come in peace. Do you have a complaints department? Because I would very much like to sit in a comfortable chair and talk to someone behind a desk rather than two crazy guys in spacesuits. I mean,
I'm
what
not a
is
crazy
this?
guy.
This isn't very professional.
I'm the CEO of this company. Come on, you can talk to me. You don't need the complaints department. Truth be told, we've been really, really busy.
What have you been busy doing, exactly?
Well, we've been interviewing candidates
I
for
like how
a
you both look around blankly when I asked that question. It was
very
like,
important position in our company. So let me get this straight. You built a gigantic pig
That's right.
out of wool
Yep.
on Pig Island, and you used the dirt that we gave you
Uh-huh.
to expand Pig Island.
Yeah. And it hasn't worked. I don't have any pigs. It's failed.
Well, why don't you hand over the deeds to Pig Island to me?
Whoa.
I'll take those off of you because they're useless. They're worthless anyway. And in exchange, you can have all the pigs that you want on Pig Island. You can build anything you want. The only thing is, there's only one rule. You can't remove any dirt from Pig Island. All the dirt belongs to us.
But I'm allowed to live there sort of like rent-free? Is that
Yeah.
true?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
And am I allowed
No
to
problem.
use the pigs to, say, make delicious pork sandwiches with them?
Honestly,
Delicious, tasty, mouth-watering pork sandwiches.
we don't care what you do with the pigs. You can do whatever you like with the pigs. If you wanted to, for instance, marry one of the pigs and take one as your lovely wedded wife and live on Pig Island with your wife till the end of time as soulmates.
Well,
Fine.
I mean, I wasn't
Shin might get a bit jealous, but I don't mind at all.
I wasn't really thinking of doing that. I'm not sure why that popped into your head. Although, now that I can picture it, a beautiful, blushing pig bride. Whatever her name is, has grown up.
It's a real person.
Fuck-face the child. Fuck-face the... Whoa! Why would you do that? It's an
Why would you
abomination.
do that? You just hit our kid with the flaming sword.
It's a girl.